Well, this is what I do when I have a Google slide and I have links in my Google slide that link to other Google slides or other documents. So I'm going to open a Google slide and show you an example of one that I have. So this is a training I've been doing this week. And um, on the third slide, I have a bunch of links. So I'm going to go to the third slide. And then right here, let's say I want everybody to have their own copy of this so that they can edit it. So this particular document is right here in my Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is this is a Google slide that I created and I just changed it to 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to go here to share and I want it to be view, so get shareable link. I want anyone with the link to view, or I could make it, let me change that. I have it like that because when I do training, sometimes people use their personal account. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I think I made this in my personal account. That's why it doesn't have CNUSD. It in your CNUSD account, automatically it will it'll say anyone at CNUSD with the link. So you want to take that and you want to copy it. And then when you go in to your slide, right here, when I go to paste that, so I'm going to edit this because I want to show you what I'm going to do. It's a little trick. So instead of, you don't want to make it edit because that means all the kids are going to be on the same document editing. What you want is them to get their own copy they can edit. So we're going to see this word right here, edit. It's in every single Google file. It has this. And even when it's on view, it's view only, it has that word edit. And you're going to change that word to copy. And by doing that, what's going to happen is now when you click on it, it's going to make a copy. And make sure the kids know just to click it once because it takes a while. And if they keep clicking it, they're going to get a million copies. And now this student in their Google Drive has their own copy of it. So when you're doing hyperlinked, that's what you want to do. You want to take that view only link and you want to change that word edit to the word copy. Keep all the other symbols and whatnot around it. The only thing you're changing is EDIT to COPY. That's the only thing you're doing. Hope that helps. It's just a little trick that some of us know and glad to share. And I'm super excited that you're doing this. So yay.